This is day 110 of 3D printing every day until I hit 1,000 subscribers. Today I did something that I tried before and failed at. I 3D printed a Lego minifigure. All the files were designed by Scrubs of Mecha Bricks, and I owe him $1 million for that. This is a classic Obi-Wan Kenobi minifigure, and other than the fact that he doesn't have any printing due to my lack of time and my lack of a UV printer, I love how he looks and articulates. This minifigure might see an animation or two in the future, but if you want to know why I made this minifig in particular, you'll have to watch my next video. Come back tomorrow for day 111.